This is my walkthrough video for my word processing app named WordPlanet. So this is the home screen as if you were starting on a iPhone, and you click on the app, brings you to the loading screen. This would be the loading screen. Yeah, that's pretty much it. The app would bring you to the next step on its own. You wouldn't actually have to click, but I put a button here. So then you go to the app home screen. This is the app's home screen. You got the title at the top, you got your files, and the task is to add a new file, to create a new file. So you click that plus right there, and then you want to create a new file, so click new file, and then you want to give the file a name, so you would click this space right here where you would type the name, and your keyboard pops up, and once you get your keyboard up, you type in the name, which is what happens here. In this instance, this would be the name, and then you click create, and then it brings you to your blank document where you can select this pencil tool to edit or to write on it. Then once you click that, your keyboard comes up with all your options. You got your backwards option, your forwards option, all the different styles that you can do to your text, like bold and stuff. And then your little cursor comes up at the top. You type in the keyboard, type your text. So this is the text, and the next step is to highlight and italicize some of it. So right here you would obviously highlight it. This is simulating that, and then click the italicize button down here. This is going to italicize it. There you go, right there. The next step is to go to the options and change the margins. So you go here, and this is the options bar, and you click on your page setup because that's where the margins are. Brings you to another menu called page setup, and here are the margins right here. There's also paper size and orientation. Click on margins. You get your margins pop up right here, where you can do default or custom. I'm going to click custom because we need to change it to 1. And then all of them are locked, but there's also, you're able to uncheck this lock and put your own margin sizes, but for this instance we'll keep them locked together. And so you click on one of these boxes to change the margin size, type it in using your keyboard. In this instance it'll be 1 inch, so once you type it at the top it'll change it all for each one as well, and then you would click done, and there you go. There's your confirmation pop-up right there. Now the next step is to save the document as a PDF, I believe. Yep. And so go back to your options. This time you choose share/export, and once you get to this menu you have all these options: save as, sharing, link sharing, copy, and print. But here you would do save as, and your save as menu comes up where you have PDF, document, text, and web page. You would click on PDF, and there's your confirmation menu there as well. Brings you back to your document. Then to go back, you just click this top arrow back here, or up here in the top left, and it brings you back to the home page. And that's it.